Hello all, welcome to Bonadeafashions. In this video, we are again back with the most demanded restocked collection of borderless fancy soft silk sarees. Both dark and pastel shades are coming in this collection, and these sarees are very soft and light in weight and comfortable to wear in any kind of occasions. Beautiful and unique putta designs are there running all over the body part, along with running or contrast rich pallu and plain blouse. For design weaving in this set, we have used golden, silver and copper zari. All these beautiful collections you are getting in a manufacturing price of 800 rupees only, along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For making orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links are given in the description. Please avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries to the given WhatsApp number. Right now we don't have cash on delivery. Our payment mode only through online. Either you can directly transfer to the account or you can do UPI transactions. As these collections are most demanded and fast moving collections, please do make your order very quickly, as because the stocks are finishing within hours after posting the video. But even though, don't worry if you are not getting the stock, we will surely restock as per your demand. And if you guys wanted to get a quick updates, you can join our WhatsApp groups. The links are given in the description. Bonadia thank all of you for your consistent support. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching and have a nice day to all.